10th graders, we are back to Act 3 Scene 2, page 92. बसानियो ने पेटी खोल ली है. इससे पहले का रिकैप मैं दे नहीं रहा हूँ बिकॉज लंबा सीन है. तुम लोग ने ऑलरेडी वीडियो देखा हुआ है, नहीं देखा है तो देख लो. वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो सीन पढ़ लो यहाँ तक. सो द लास्ट टाइम आई सॉ यू गाइज ऑन स्क्रीन, थ्रू स्क्रीन, वाया स्क्रीन, आई हैड ओपन द कैस्केट. दैट्स बसानियो हैड ओपन द कैस्केट. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट डायलॉग. ही सेज व्हाट फाइंड अ ईयर. क्या है ये पेटी के अंदर. यू ओपन द लेड कैस्केट. ऑलराइट, बिफोर दैट देयर इज अ डायलॉग दो व्हिच आई हैडंट एक्सप्लेन, व्हिच इज पोर्शियाज डायलॉग. मार्क इट, लिख दो. सुपर इंपॉर्टेंट लीक्ड क्वेश्चन. मैं तुमको बता रहा हूं ये क्वेश्चन आएगा ही एग्जाम में. ऑलराइट, क्वेश्चन विल बी वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट इज पोर्शियाज रिएक्शन once Bassanio chooses the lead casket? All right, now this reaction of hers is not public. Okay, ये अपने मन में सोच रही है. She knows clearly which casket has her portrait. Logically, because she saw Morocco choose the gold casket, उसमें नहीं था. She saw silver being chosen by Aragon, उसमें नहीं था. So जब Bassanio lead choose करता तो उसमें होना ही चाहिए. So she's super duper happy. उसका दिल नाच रहा है. ओके, तो दिल डांस मारे, ऐसा वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है. ओके, शी फीलिंग लाइक सौरभ गांगुली. शी वांट्स टू रिमूव अ टी शर्ट एंड डांस. ऑलराइट, शी वांट्स टू डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. ए रम पम 1 2 का 4, उसको सब कुछ करना है. ओके, बट शी कांट. काय को? बिकॉज शी इज एन एलिजाबेथन वुमन. ऑलराइट, शी हैज टू स्टे इन हर डिग्निटी. शी हैज टू लुक डिग्निफाइड. सो नो मैटर हाउ हैप्पी शी लुक्स, no matter how many gulatis she wants to make, no matter how many cartwheels she wants to try out, she cannot do it. All right, so the only thing she can do is think about how happy she is. So this is the dialogue. She says, how all other passions fleet to air. Fleet matlab escape. Okay, fleet, flee, they are all the same. So escape. Passions ko circle karo. Now my question to you was, what is Portia's reaction upon Bassanio choosing the lead casket? Another way of asking this question would be, what passions is Portia referring to in this dialogue? So same ही question है, same answer होगा. Question दूसरे style से पूछा है. So she says, how all other passions have escaped to air, मतलब just escaped. So what are these passions? Point number 1. First emotion, first passion, first feeling that has escaped is doubtful thoughts. Before Bassanio chose the casket, she was always doubtful whether he'll make it or not. So now that doubt is gone. So doubtful thoughts. Also personification, because thoughts have been given the human quality of being doubtful. All right. Point number 2, rash embraced despair. Rash embraced matlab quick, quickly embraced. Embrace matlab grabbed onto. You've grabbed onto what? Despair. Despair matlab helplessness. So she had already victimized herself. You know, starting से she was feeling sympathetic towards herself. यार मेरी तो किस्मत ही मारी गई है. You know, एक lover मिला है. What if he chooses the wrong casket? I'm feeling so helpless, I can't help him. But all that helplessness is now gone. All that despair is now gone. All right. Point number 3, shuddering fear. Personification again. Fear has been given the quality of shuddering. Shuddering is shivering. Because, you know, when you're scared, you tremble, you shiver. So shuddering fear. That fear, what fear is it? Fear of losing Bassanio. All right. So that fear is also gone. And green-eyed jealousy. Point number 4. Now, what is she jealous of? All right. It's not whatever you guys are thinking of. She's not jealous that Bassanio will be, some other woman will get Bassanio, because that's not possible. So she has no reason to feel jealous. Or does she? I don't know why I take these long pauses. I really wish that you guys could answer. You know, this would be a nice discussion. But anyways, I'll get to the point. Green-eyed jealousy over here is a jealousy how other lovers don't have to go through so much torture that Bassanio and she had to go through. You know, she was always jealous when she would look at other people who are in love and they wouldn't have to go through this whole turmoil of caskets. All right. But now that she's got Bassanio, she's no longer jealous. Why green-eyed jealousy? There's a reference given over there. In Elizabethan days, they used to think that jealousy was a color, green was a color associated with jealousy, and it's personified here. It's said to be a monster with green eyes. So how fluently I answered that? It's because I'm reading it out. It's on 112 allusion. All right, right side पे mark कर लो उसको, पूछेंगे तुमको exam में. All right. I don't know why I keep saying all right. I want to stop doing that. Okay. Second part of the dialogue, same dialogue continuing. Okay, answer अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So ये first part था. Now Portia is asking love to be moderate. Okay, she says, oh love, be moderate. So she's talking to love. It's not personification. Personification would be if love is talking to her. Your Portia is talking to love. So that's an apostrophe. लिख लो apostrophe. It's just, the word is the same as your punctuation, but it's not that. Apostrophe is when you are talking to an inanimate object, or you are talking to someone who's dead, or you are talking to someone who's not present. All right. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. You are talking to stars. Stars are not there. If I say, oh Bapu, what has happened to this country? I'm talking to Gandhi, but Gandhi is not here. He's dead. All right. Here she's talking to love, but love is abstract. Love is not real. So she says, oh love. So that's an apostrophe. It's a figure of speech. It's the reverse of personification, where inanimate objects are given human qualities, where you are talking to inanimate objects. Oh love, be moderate. Be moderate मतलब control उदय control. Okay, she's excited. She's like control कर अपने आप को यार. So she says, oh love, be moderate. Allay thy ecstasy. Allay मतलब bring down. Bring down your ecstasy. Ecstasy मतलब joy. Bring down your joy. In measure, rain thy joy. In measure मतलब in moderate quantities. So allay thy ecstasy. Allay is reduce. Ecstasy matlab joy. Reduce your joy. Who's your love? So reduce the joy that you are giving me, love. Reduce this happiness that you are giving me because I have too much of it. Okay? I want you to rain. Rain matlab shower. I want you to shower your joy in moderate quantities, in measure. तो measure को underline करके लिखो in moderate quantities. It's an inversion. So when I say in measure rain thy joy, rain is shower, measure is moderate. So in clear English, it becomes, I want you to shower your joy, I want you to shower your blessings in moderate quantities. Scant this excess. Please reduce this excess. Excess what? Excess joy. I feel too much of thy blessing. Thy, matlab your, and your over here is love. Circle karo, circle karo. Thy ko circle karo. Wah likho your, and your equals to love. She's talking to love. She says, I feel your blessing way too much. Kindly make it less because I fear I surfeit. Surfeit, but I have too much of it. I have too much of your love right now. ये पोर्शिया का इमोशन था. साइलेंट था. शी इज नॉट टॉकिंग टू एनीवन, शी इज एड्रेसिंग हरसेल्फ. दिस डायलॉग वाज सुपर इंपॉर्टेंट. देन बसानियो पे स्पॉटलाइट है. He opens the casket. He's like, what find I here? The next two sides completely useless. Okay, school exams में आ सकता है, ICSE board paper में definitely नहीं आएगा. Okay, Bassanio is doing nothing in the next two pages but describing the picture of Portia. Okay, so he opens a casket, he sees a portrait and then he describes a picture. उसके बस में होता तो वो आईब्रो के हेयर, आई लैशेस को और उसके नॉस्ट्रिल्स के हेयर को भी डिस्क्राइब करता. एक चीज नहीं छोड़ता वो. ओके, इतना पका रहा है, वो पगला गया है. ओके, उसके ब्यूटी के साथ. तो ये है वो डायलॉग. ही सेज व्हाट फाइंड आई हियर, ओपन्स द लेड कैस्केट. फेयर पोर्शिया's counterfeit. Counterfeit is portrait. Counterfeit is the fake version of real Portia. Ooh, what demigod had come so near creation? A lot of kids get confused here. They think that he's calling Portia a demigod. Demigod is half god. But he's not calling Portia that. He's calling the artist. Alright? The artist who painted the picture has been compared to a demigod. Why not God? Because had the artist been God, he would have created an actual person. Here he's created a picture that is lifelike. He says, what demigod hath come so near creation? Well, this picture that the artist has painted, this artist who's just like a demigod, has painted a picture of Portia which is so lifelike, so real. Near creation. Near matlab almost created. Are these eyes moving? He says, ooh, are these eyes moving? Or whether they are riding on balls of mine. These balls of mine are eyeballs of mine. He says the picture of Portia is fixed on my eyeballs. Okay, at this point I'm sure a lot of guys giggle. I don't know why, it's just the hormones. Okay, the moment they read riding on balls of mine. Okay, but it's eyeballs. Eyeballs. Okay, I know a lot of you are stupid kids. I also giggled actually, but it's eyeballs. All right, so basically he says, are these eyes moving or are they fixed on eyeballs of mine? Yeah, you know those pictures, right? A lot of portraits of gods are made that way. Or Mona Lisa has that quality where no matter which angle you look at the picture from, you feel like the picture is looking at you. So he's saying the same thing. He says this portrait seems to be looking at me. Whether it's either the portrait looking at me or the portrait's image is fixed on in my eyes. So no matter now, wherever I look, the only thing I can see is the portrait. Seem they in motion? They ko underline karo. They is eyes. Alright. So here was point number one. The first thing he's referring to is the eyes. Are the eyes of the picture. Ooh, and here are severed lips. Point number two. He describes her lips. She's smiling in the portrait. So severed. Severed matlab separated. Separated lips. Parted with sugar breath. So he's saying the gap between the two lips is sugary, sugar breath. Okay, so sweet होगा. Obviously उसने पराठे खा के थोड़ी ना पोर्ट्रेट बना था कि वो डकार खाएगी अभी. So the picture में से वो इमेजिन कर रहा है कि अगर यहाँ पे एक अच्छी फ्रेग्रेंस होती, अरोमा होता उसके बीच में, तो that would be sugary breath. Okay, so her lips are parted with sugary breath. Oh, so sweet a bar. Bar मतलब space. So sweet a space should sunder. Sunder is separate. Part, separate. Such sweet friends. Unlike sweet friends. sweet friends here are the upper and the lower lips. So the upper and the lower lips are separated. Bar is separated. Sundered is separated by sugar breath. Point number 3, he moves to her hair, but he calls it hairs. It's old English, okay? Please, modern English में कोई hair को hairs नहीं बोलेगा. So here in a hairs, the painter plays the spider. When I say painter plays the spider, it's a metaphor. The painter has been metaphorically compared to a spider because he's woven a golden mesh. Her golden hair has been compared to a golden mesh. Mesh is net, cobweb, to entrap the hearts of men. जिस तरह से cobwebs में gnats and flies. GNATS, G is silent, gnats are insects. जिस तरह से gnats are trapped in cobwebs, faster than that, hearts of men are trapped in Portia's hair. Cringy dialogue, okay? Tip to all guys, don't try this with your girlfriends, okay? They're gonna slap you and walk away. आज के ज़माने में ये नहीं चलता है, okay? But उस ज़माने में Portia was giggling. Ish! ऐसे, okay? So, but her eyes, oh my god, her eyes, how could he see to do them? He को circle करो. He is my artist. Having made one, methinks is I think that when he finished painting one eye, it had the power to steal both of his. That one eye of Portia looks so powerful, I'm sure it must have enchanted him as in the artist, and therefore stolen both of his eyes, okay? And leave itself unfurnished. Itself, matlab picture, must have left the picture incomplete. Yet look, but it's not incomplete. So he says it looks like that. It looks like the one eye itself is so powerful, I can't imagine how the painter finished the painting. Yet look how far the substance. Now, one second. Before I get to this part, so far whatever happened was useless. But if you have to remember for school exams, you had 4 points. First, he describes her eyes. Then he moves to her lips. Then he moves to her hair. Then he moves back to her eyes. Okay? So eyes, lips, hair, and eyes. वैसे लिख लो ताकि याद रहेगा point wise. Okay? Now a new part of the dialogue is starting. Now I'm sure all of you agree that he went way beyond his capacity to describe Portia's portrait. मतलब हद से ज़्यादा उसने appreciate किया portrait को. फिर भी वो बोलता है कि यार मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है यार. I'm not able to do justice. You know, मैं कितने भी words क्यों ना बोलूँ, those words don't do justice to how beautiful the picture of Portia is. And if my words cannot describe how beautiful the picture of Portia is, then how will I even describe the real Portia? ये तो सिर्फ पिक्चर है, मैं पिक्चर को डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ ठीक से. तो जब रियल पोर्शिया के ब्यूटी की बात आती है तो वहां पे तो आई विल नेवर बी एबल टू टेल यू हाउ मच आई लव द रियल पोर्शिया. एंड दैट्स द नेक्स्ट डायलॉग. सो ही सेज येट लुक हाउ मच, हाउ फार द सब्सटेंस ऑफ माई प्रेज. कैन यू अंडरलाइन सब्सटेंस ऑफ माई प्रेज, दैट एंटायर फ्रेज लिख दो वहां पे वर्ड्स. येट लुक हाउ फार माई वर्ड्स डॉट रॉन्ग दिस शैडो. शैडो को अंडरलाइन करो. पोर्ट्रेट doth wrong this portrait, matlab my words do injustice to this portrait. Simply means if your mom cooks your favorite dish, okay, she has slogged in the kitchen for hours, okay, heat में, गर्मी में, सुबह से उठ के वो तुम्हारे लिए तुम्हारा फेवरेट डिश बना रही है, okay, 4-6 घंटे तक उन्होंने वो बनाया, एंड खाने के बाद तुमसे इतना बोलते हैं ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ा सॉफ्ट है ये, थोड़ा हार्ड होना चाहिए था. You know how hurt your mom will be because you are doing injustice to the efforts that she put in. That same thing is being done over here. He says, I have said so much, but I think I'm not doing justice to this shadow, to this portrait. So my words are not enough for this portrait. I'm underpricing it. Underline underpricing, undervaluing, underappreciating. Underpricing is underestimating. It को circle करो. एंड आगे जो है सो फार द शैडो उसको सर्कल करो. दोनों का मीनिंग पोर्ट्रेट है. सो आई एम अंडरप्राइजिंग दिस पोर्ट्रेट. सो फार द शैडो डॉट लिप, दो सो फार दिस पोर्ट्रेट डॉट लिम्प. डॉट लिम्प मतलब इज नॉट एज गुड एज. लिखो डॉट लिम्प को अंडरलाइन करो. लिखो एज इज नॉट एज गुड एज द सब्सटेंस. अंडरलाइन द वर्ड सब्सटेंस. ये ऊपर वाला सब्सटेंस नहीं है. दिस सब्सटेंस इज पोर्शिया, द रियल पोर्शिया. So again, summarizing the dialogue, I have said enough, but my words don't do justice to this portrait, and this portrait is nothing compared to the real Portia. So how on earth will I appreciate the real Portia? But here's a scroll. Ab scroll kholta hai. The continent and summary of my fortune. A lot of kids who joined me this year, one of them, a few of them asked me separately that last year they were told by their old teachers to not learn the content of the scroll. but I have said in the notes that you should know it. So what I mean is, you don't have to rote learn it the way it is, but you need to know the order of the content. You need to know what's in that scroll, because this is an obvious question. They'll ask you what is written in the scroll. So you have to write it in your own words, but for that you need to know what's in the scroll. So he reads, the continent and summary, matlab the summary, the content of my fortune. You that choose, you matlab Bassanio in this case. You that have chosen, not by view. View is outward appearance. You who have chosen not by outward appearance, chance as fair. Chance के आगे लिख दो took a chance. You took a chance as fair. मतलब you took a fair chance. And chose as true. And chose the right casket. True. True is right. Since this fortune, fortune is Portia. Since this fortune falls on you, to you, be content. Be content. Okay, sorry. Content is the things written in the thing, and content is satisfaction. So be content, be satisfied, and seek no new. If you will be well pleased with this matlab with what you've gotten, and hold your fortune, hold matlab consider. If you consider your fortune, fortune is Portia, for your bliss matlab as a reason of your happiness, then turn you where your lady is, then turn to where Portia is standing, and claim her with a loving kiss, as in you may now kiss the bride. ये वो वाला official thing है. A gentle scroll. Fair lady, by your leave matlab with your permission. किस चीज की permission मांग रहा है? To go and kiss her. So then he goes and kisses her. I come by note matlab by instruction. He says I come by instruction to give and to receive. To give and receive is puppy. Okay, so I gave you a puppy, I received a puppy, like one of the two contending in a prize. बट यार मैं ना अभी भी बिलीव नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ यार ये चीज़. दिस इज हाउ आई फील एवरी सिंगल ईयर, यू नो, व्हेन द रिजल्ट्स आर आउट, whenever the first two people call up and say, sir, we topped the school, whatever, you see how I'm showing off at the same time? This is marketing, you know, like मैं सिखा भी रहा हूँ पर मैं साथ साथ show off भी कर रहा हूँ मेरे marks को. But good, but no, genuinely I feel like that, you know, I feel it's surreal. Till the kid doesn't send me the picture of his report card, I don't believe what the kid is saying. You know, I never believe that a kid has topped until I actually see the result, because there could be a misunderstanding. Maybe I'm dreaming. Maybe I've misunderstood. And that's what Bassanio is saying. He says, so far, I feel like one of the two people contending in a race. Contending is participating in a race, you know, contending in a prize. Prize is trying to win. And I think that I have done well. So somewhere in my heart, I feel I've done well in people's eyes, because I can hear people applauding. I can hear people clapping. Okay, and universal shout, yay, Sheshav ki jai ho, go Sheshav. ऐसे मेरे को सुनाई दे रहा है. So I'm giddy in spirit. Okay, I'm very happy, but I'm still gazing. I'm still looking in doubt. I'm looking doubtfully whether those peals of praise, matlab those words of praise, are for me or not, because maybe my contender's name is Keshav, and maybe the crowd was actually reverse flashback. Yay, go Keshav. Maybe it was Keshav and I thought it's Sheshav that they are yelling at. Okay, so maybe I misunderstood. So I'm not gonna believe that I've actually won you, Portia, until you say something, until you officiate this, until you tell me with your own mouth that you are my wife now. So I can't believe whether those peals of praise matlab words of praise, be his matlab mine or not. So thrice fair lady matlab extremely beautiful Chummeshwari Portia, stand I even so, here I stand in front of you, as doubtful, very doubtful, whether what I see be true, whether what I'm seeing is true, until confirmed, signed and ratified by you. Okay, confirmed, signed and ratified keywords है, mark कर लो. Confirmed, signed and ratified का simple meaning है until you confirm it and confirm. दोनों तीनों words का meaning confirm ही है. So until you tell me that you're mine, I will not believe it. Alright, यहाँ तक please pause करके mark कर लो. You know what I'll do? Last time I tried sending a long audio across and it couldn't reach. There was a lot of issue. So I'll pause here. I'm sending you this audio. यहाँ तक पढ़ लो, शांति से डाउट्स देख लो, और मैं आगे का तुमको रिकॉर्ड करके भेज रहा हूँ.